Had a good night's stay here. It's a nice little rest area. And my van has a doppelganger. Look at that, isn't that funny? No, it's not the same, but it's the same color. That is funny. This is a nice little rest area. It was pretty quiet all night. It's nice and cool this morning. Great weather. Not a fire at bed. Just dirt for the park. Or rest area, rather. And of course the freeway. Pretty nice. I don't believe I've ever seen a fire extinguisher at a rest area before. How interesting is that? It's just a tiny rest area. The piney woods of East Texas. Just 3 stalls each. I don't know about the men's. I didn't go in there. There's our flag. Nice little rest area. Here we go. It's a good chart. That's a good chart. Oh, I didn't know it extended way down there too. That's pretty cool. It's almost like a campground down there, isn't it? Except you're at a slant. But that's pretty cool though. Oh, check that out. I didn't see that last night. This is logging country up here. That is awesome. Wow. Okay, I have my camera set up here. My CB set is sitting here, but it's not connected yet. I still have to mount the antenna. Phone mount here, speaker or mic here. I don't know why I keep calling it a speaker. Okay, and my 12-volt fridges are plugged in here. So we are ready to roll. We're going to go to Texarkana and we're going to get a new charger for my Fitbit because I stupidly left it behind. It's so small though, you just, and I had it's magnetic, so I had it stuck to something that was metal, and shoot. You know what I just figured out? The van that looks like mine, I think he's maintenance here. Isn't that funny? Yeah, because I see him walking around down there. I met him the last time I came here. This is only my second time here. And we commented on the colors of our vans. But I see him down there walking around now. So, yeah, he's maintenance here. Okay. Well, he had an Atlanta, Texas sticker on his van, too. And his van is a GMC, so must have been a common color back in the time. Anyhow, yeah, let's go to Best Buy in Texarkana. It's about 30 some miles away. And I waited on purpose till it was a little later so I wouldn't hit the morning traffic. Alrighty, we're gonna pull out. And oh, that's really close. Oh well, I won't be shifting while I'm driving. Did it just pull out? No, it's okay. Okay, I'm talking about my cigarette lighter plugs. Okay, so we're going to go to Best Buy, which is about 35 miles away. And hopefully they'll have a charger for my Fitbit, because I am monitoring my sleep and steps and all that stuff. Steps aren't as accurate though, because if you're like in a store pushing a shopping cart, it's not going to read because you're not swinging your arm. It would read if take the next left onto US lots of traffic. North. Sorry, I'm paying attention to traffic. It would read if you put it on your ankle, but I'm afraid I'll lose it if I do that. Plus I'm driving. Dip, 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 dip. Okay. Left lane closed ahead. Oh, there goes everything I laid on my couch. Oopsies. A lot of van travelers and RVers lay stuff on their bed. Of course, my couch is my bed, so I threw it on there. Better speed it up a little here. So it all went boom boom, so I've got to, when I get over there, I've got to make sure it didn't fall in front of somebody's face. Isn't it pretty up through here? Wow. Yeah, Texas has its beautiful cities and towns and landscapes also. Thinking about going to Virginia. So, because Virginia's beautiful and I'm not really spend any time there. So I'm thinking about doing that. I even thought about calling my brother and seeing if he wanted to meet me for camping in Virginia. I'll have to take a look at all that. I'm going to get to, of course, I'm going 30 to 40. Yeah, 30 to 40. And then when I pull over somewhere in Tennessee, then I'll decide. And if I do that, then I'll call my brother and see if he wants to meet me, because they like to travel and they like to go camping and stuff. He lives in Pennsylvania. And if they're available, maybe they'll want to go camping. That'd be kind of fun. Slow down for the Z-Verk trucks. Oy. Alrighty, what is today? Hold on. I think it's the 27th. Let me check. Yeah, it's the 27th. This is my receipt for the gas. So, and I'm filled up, so I keep a track of my mileage, and I am in Queen City. Queen something. I think it's Queen City, Texas. Something like that. Okay, just to make life even more exciting, I'm like, oh, finally. I'm away from the park. I'm away from all the stresses. And I get a call from a lawyer on a court case. I'm like, dang. Oh my gosh. On my mother's birthday, I have to attend a Zoom meeting for court. It's a case on a tenant that lived there when I was in management, so I told him yes, I would be there. Go figure. I tell you, the miracles of the internet, right? And was I supposed to go over there? No, okay. The miracles of the internet. So on my mom's birthday, I have to be in court. Go figure. Okay, so I got another fill up on gas. It was $2.82. I'll take it. I will take it. You know, one good thing about traveling, see that Dollar General on the right? There are Dollar Generals everywhere, which is really cool because if you need something, they're inexpensive. You go in, get what you need, and leave. You know, and it's really, it's really kind of invaluable. So yesterday I used one just to walk around because on the route I take, there really aren't any stopping points or rest areas except for that one I found, and that was 300 some miles after I left. So they're rather handy. They are rather handy. And I got, you know, I thought, not really a breakfast eater, but I'm terrible about eating when I'm traveling. I used to munch a lot when I traveled, and I stopped doing that. And I think it was out of boredom and trying to keep myself awake. I don't know, but I don't do it anymore. But the other thing is, I don't stop and eat when I should either. And I carry food, and I think, okay, I'll make sandwiches or something. I never get around to getting that done either. Oh well, that's how it is with me. That's how it is. 22 more miles. I have a whole pile of receipts here to scan into an app. I've been hoarding them. Alrighty, I got one, the last one. Wow, because I am monitoring myself with this one. So, wow. Ooh, $20. Youch. And they sell them too. You can buy two on Amazon for like $7. But I can't get Amazon while I'm traveling. So I don't think the truck will, you know, just follow me until it catches up with me. It doesn't work that way, does it? So anyhow, yes, thank goodness. All right. So time to carry on. I'm glad I got this because I'm really low on battery. Whoops, we missed the Welcome to Arkansas sign. I was in construction. Wasn't even thinking about it. But we're in Arkansas now. Arkansas, as some people would say. Speed limit. This is not a suggestion. I love it. Well, I'm glad I got gas when I did. It was $2.82 where I got it, and right after that station it jumped up to 3 something, and the station over here is 307. So I'm glad I got it when I did. Got a full tank, so that'll take me quite a ways. I get about 400 miles on a full tank, and that's averaging about 17 miles per gallon. Oh, there is a welcome center. I guess I'll stop and get a map. You know what? Maybe not. Do I have one? Well, let's go get one. I might regret it later. Might want to, if I come back this way, I might want to use it again. But I plan on going right into Tennessee today. It's a nice rest area. Yeah, you can pull up to these little pavilions and have yourself lunch or dinner or whatever. Well, there's a happy Wiesla. That little dog over there. It's a Wiesla. He was even smiling. Okay, back on the road. Yikes. It's got a little weird slant.